You're not lazy. Your brain has been hijacked, and you don't even realize it. And every day, it's getting worse. You sit down to study. You open your laptop. Tell yourself, this time I'm serious. And then you think, let me just check one message real quick. 5 minutes later, you're on your phone, scrolling, tapping, switching apps. One video turns into 10, and now you don't even remember how you got there. You don't even remember what you were about to do. And then it hits you. What's wrong with me? Why can't I just focus? So you blame yourself. You call yourself lazy. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. Your brain is overstimulated. Every time you scroll, every notification, every short video, you're flooding your brain with dopamine, and your brain adapts. So now, normal things feel boring. Studying feels slow. Reading feels painful. Even sitting still feels uncomfortable. And this is the part nobody talks about. Your brain isn't broken. It's just been trained the wrong way. The more you chase quick stimulation, the harder it becomes to focus. It's like trying to enjoy silence after blasting loud music all day. At first, it feels normal. Scrolling for a few minutes, watching one short video, but then it turns into hours. And now your brain expects it. Constant noise, constant movement, constant dopamine. So when you sit down to focus, everything feels slow, too slow. Your brain starts asking, where's the next hit? Why is this so boring? And if it doesn't get it, you feel restless. You check your phone, you switch tabs, you look for anything easier. And before you even notice it, you've escaped again. But here's the good news. If your brain can be trained to lose focus, it can be trained to get it back. And faster than you think. Because your brain isn't broken. It's just been conditioned, day after day, to expect distraction. Which means you don't need more motivation. You don't need to try harder. You just need a better system. And once you understand this, everything starts to change. Solution 1. Remove the trigger. First, remove the distraction at the source. Not reduce it, not try harder. Remove it. Because willpower is unreliable. Environment is what actually controls your behavior. If your phone is next to you, you will check it. Maybe not immediately. Maybe after 2 minutes. Maybe after 10. But you will. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is wired to respond to it. That tiny buzz, that screen lighting up, even just knowing it's there is enough to break your focus. So do this. Put your phone in another room. Not face down, not on silent. Another room. Make it harder to reach. Add friction. Because the harder it is to access, the less your brain will crave it in the moment. And this one move alone can literally double your focus. No hacks, no motivation, just removing the trigger. But even if you do that, you'll still struggle at first. Here's why. Solution 2. Rebuild focus. Your brain isn't used to long focus anymore, so don't force it. Train it. Start small. 25 minutes. No distractions. No switching. Just one task. Even if it feels slow, even if you don't feel in the mood, stay with it. Because this isn't about perfect focus, it's about showing your brain how to focus again. Then take a short break. Breathe. Walk around. Reset. Then come back and repeat. This is how you rebuild focus. Not by going hard, but by going consistent. And here's the part most people get wrong. They quit too early. They expect instant results. But focus is a skill. And like any skill, it gets stronger with repetition. It's not about how long you focus, it's about how often you return. Solution 3. Reset your brain. You need to lower your dopamine baseline. That means less scrolling, less constant stimulation, less noise. Because right now, your brain is overloaded. It's used to fast, easy rewards every few seconds, so anything slow feels unbearable. Try this. For just one evening, no social media. No short videos, no random scrolling, just silence. Or slow, intentional activities like reading, writing, or even just sitting with your thoughts. And yeah, it will feel uncomfortable. You might reach for your phone without thinking. You might feel bored, restless, like something is missing. But that's the point. That discomfort? That's your brain resetting. It's learning to slow down again. And once you get past that phase, something changes. Focus starts to feel easier, clearer, even natural again. You were never lazy, you were just overstimulated. You were trying to focus with a brain that's been trained not to. And that's not your fault. You didn't choose this. It happened slowly, day by day, scroll by scroll, until it became your normal. But now, you see it. You understand what's actually going on. And that changes everything. Because once you're aware, you can take control. So here's what I want you to do. Not tomorrow, not next week, tonight. Put your phone away. Sit down. Focus for 25 minutes. No distractions, no excuses. Just start. That's it. Because you don't need more motivation. You need a better system. And once you fix that, everything changes. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below. I want to hear how it goes for you. Remember, you were never lazy. You just needed the right system. See you in the next video. Until then, lock in, level up, think deeper.